Beauties, what's up? Welcome to the Kendy Beauty channel. I am so sorry I haven't been uploading lately. I had a test last week for my swallowing issue, but hopefully I'll hear something from the test this week, and I just was down a little while. Still not feeling 100%, but I'm doing the best I can. Today I have some new sneak peeks for Boxycharm. These are from a survey that was taken by one of our Bindi Babes. Her name's Miss Jennifer, and she has a channel called Coda and Orion's Adventures. Please show her some love and click on that link to her channel that I have in the description area. That way you can join her channel and show her some love for supporting our channels. She's such a sweetie. She didn't have to do this for me, but out of the kindness of her heart, she always helps any kind of way she can to fellow influencers. So I want to thank Jennifer so much. So please subscribe to her channel if you aren't already. She is a moderator for my channel, so you probably know her if you've been around for a while, but if not, please check her out. Okay, so she sent me these today, and I was so excited because a prediction I made last month about a brand that I thought we would see in Boxycharm was shown in the survey. So let's start off. Let's look at what was in that survey. We're not going to fiddle-faddle at all. We're just going to start it out. And everybody knows if anybody wants to join Boxycharm, I don't know why you aren't already. Please use my link below. They have a new $5 coupon that you can use on the add-on sale in July. I will be giving you these dates. If you're not sure when choice comes up and you want to be reminded by an email, please email me at kendyrjane18@gmail.com, and I can put you in my group email for the Bindi Babes and remind you when choice comes open or when the add-on store is open. I remind everybody that way more people can get their choice item, and all my Bindi Babes are taken care of. All you got to do is email me and say, hey, can I get on your list? And all that's required is that you're subscribe to my channel for one. And if you have Instagram, please join me on Instagram. I've been putting my sneak peeks up on Instagram first sometimes. So please, if you have an Instagram, follow me on Instagram. It's at KendyJane18. I will be putting more and more up there, and I will start having giveaways exclusive to Instagram. So make sure you are following me there. Okay. If you remember, we were talking about Kat Von D last month, and I did some research on her channel and found out that a brand called Kendy, Kendo, was affiliated with her. They owned probably half her business with her, so they had been with Kat Von D for the 11 years she was in business, and when she decided to get out, they bought her out. So Kat Von D is 100% owned by Kendy Company, and they represent quite a few brands. And looking at Kendy and the brands that they represent, I realized they represented Kat Von D Vegan Beauty. That's the new name. They also represent Fenty Beauty, which we have seen in Boxycharm, and also Bite Beauty we have seen in Boxycharm. They also have a few brands that we've never seen in Boxycharm, but I told y'all, I said, I think there's a good chance if he has a good working relationship with Kendy, some of these other brands can possibly be in our box soon. These brands are Ole Henriksen and Marc Jacobs. Well, lo and behold, guess who's on the survey? Yes, Marc Jacobs. I knew we would be seeing some Marc Jacobs. So let me show you the products that were Marc Jacobs brand in this survey. Please remember, a survey is just Boxy getting a feel on what type of products we like, which brands we'd like to see in the box. It's not a confirmed sneak peek. I know everybody knows this. But eventually, a lot of the products that we see in these surveys, we eventually see in the box. It could be he's working with Marc Jacobs and trying to get a feel on if we like their products, So this is a possibility. The first Marc Jacobs product is the Youthquake Hydra Full Retexturizing Gel Cream Moisturizer. This sells for $59. It comes in a 50 ml bottle, and that's 1.702 ounces. On the Sephora site, it gets a 4.5 out of 5 stars with 1,080 reviews. This is a well-liked moisturizer. This moisturizer is a multitasking moisturizer with powerful pineapple enzymes and encapsulated sodium hyaluronate for hydration, retexturizing results, and a glowing makeup-ready canvas. It's for normal, dry, and combo skin. It does not mention oily. It's for dryness, dullness, and uneven texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. This is a wonderful moisturizer. I would love to personally try this. I hope we see it in a box. All we can do is hope, guys. But this is one step closer, seeing it in a survey. Okay, the next Marc Jacobs product. And another thing I noticed, as you can see on this survey, this time they gave you a description of the product. Thank you so much, Boxy. I hate when we get even choice items with no description of what they are. Half the time I'm trying to figure out exactly what type of product this is. And I have to stop and try to review it while I'm doing the choice pick. And sometimes these things sell out, so I'm very nervous. I like how they gave a description as to what these products were. And like Joe says, they are always improving and learning. The next Marc Jacobs product is the Highliner Liquid Gel Eyeliner. Now this says it's $16 on the survey. I don't know where that came from, because the ones I've seen on Sephora and on Marc Jacobs are all $27. I think that might be a typo. And what this is, it's a black, they call their blacker, like lacquer and blacker. And it's a black, shiniest black. And it also comes in several other shades, but a lot of times we just get the black one, but who knows. It's waterproof. It's got an extremely long wear. It's smudge resistant, flake resistant, and it's got an inkwell liquid liner. Now I have one, but it's the pencil. It's the same exact thing, but it's not on a brush. It's on a gel pencil. It's the Highliner gel pencil. And let me tell you, this liner is very waterproof. It's not real easy to use. I don't actually use the pencil on my eye directly because it gets real messy. I put it on a brush to put it on, but in my water line it stays. And I have watery, allergy type eyes that are always watery, and this liner is the best one I've ever used. If I dry out the water line with a Q-tip, put this, it stays. Very good liner. The next product from Marc Jacobs is the Dewdrops Coconut Gel Highlighter. This sells for $45, and it gets 6.2K loves. That's a lot of loves. It gets a 4.5 out of 5 stars at Sephora, and it's got 1,080 reviews. And this is a lightweight coconut infused gel highlighter that can be applied to skin directly or infused into your foundation or primer for a beautiful glow. It comes in 2 different shades. The shade they're showing us is the 50 Do You Golden Peach, and the other shade it comes in is 54 Tantalizing Golden Bronze. This highlighter will give you that glowy look, a youthful looking, radiant, well hydrated skin. It will instantly light up your complexion. The next product from Marc Jacobs is the Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer Lip Gloss. These sell for $29. That's expensive. It gets 184.2 thousand loves. A lot of people love these lip lacquer lip glosses. Comes in, the one they're showing is in the High Shine. They have 15 shades in the High Shine. At Sephora, it gets a 4.5 out of 5 stars with 1,106 reviews. This is a High Shine lip gloss in several shades. Its unique triple shine complex makes it shine like 30 coats of lacquer. This product is a 2-time winner of Allure's Best of Beauty. The names of the shades are inspired by Marc Jacobs' favorite music. And here are a few examples. The first one is Whip It, like whip it real good. A bold iridescent magenta. Then we have Call Me, the opaque burnt orange. It kind of looks different in this tube, I think. Then Hot Hot Hot, which is a bright fuchsia. Actually, this one is on sale for like $13. It's the only shade on sale. So those are the Marc Jacobs products we're looking at. Who's excited about Marc Jacobs? Put it in the comments. I want to know what y'all think about these Marc Jacobs products. Okay, we have a few more here of other brands. This one is called Voir, V-O-I-R, Hair Care. Now on the bottle it has V-O-R, but the website is V-O-I-R. It's the Perfecting Prism. It's a color protecting pre-shampoo treatment. Sells for $34, which is 5 fluid ounces or 150 mLs. It's a color boosting treatment that protects color processed hair against fading, chemical damage, and breakage, while restoring vibrancy and shine. It's supposed to give your hair this beautiful shine. I would love to get this product. How many of us ladies have color processed hair? I know probably 99% of us. So this would be a great product to try out. I've never tried this brand. Sounds like a good product. Next is from Clé de Peau Beauté. This is a bougie product, way more bougie than Marc Jacobs. They're showing us the Radiant Liquid Rouge Matte. What Claire de Peau Beauté means is the key to skin's beauty. And I thought, oh, it must be a French brand because that's in French, written in French, Clé de Peau. But when I look up about the company, I'm always interested in seeing where these companies are. The company was initially started in 1982 in Japan. I thought that was kind of interesting. What we're looking at here is the Radiant Liquid Rouge Matte, and it's a lipstick, a liquid lipstick. Like I said, it sells for $50 a lipstick. Wow, expensive. It's long wearing color with a decadent matte finish that melts into lips for a bold but elegant effect. Who would love to get their hands on a tube of this liquid lipstick? I know I definitely would. I was looking at their foundation. Their foundation sells for $250. Very expensive brand. The next product shows here as from Sakura and Sage. It's a vegan eyeshadow and blush palette. Now, when I looked up this product on my own, it's actually made by Seraphim Botanicals. A lot of you remember Seraphim Botanicals. We did receive some lip product from them. We did receive a lip mask from this brand. Actually, it was one of my favorite products from Boxycharm in 2018. I don't know why they didn't put the brand as Seraphim Botanicals. I don't know if it's a typo or what, but it sells for $42. It's a very wearable eyeshadow palette. It's got essential shades. It's 100% vegan. I think when they say essential shades, they mean it's an everyday looking palette. It's got smooth, creamy payoff that creates lasting luminosity on both your eyes and cheeks. It's talc free. And I love the color story. It looks so beautiful with the purple on the outer container. I love this. The picture doesn't do it much justice. It's very beautiful when you look at their brand site and look at this palette. Okay, the next item is from Smith & Cult. From Smith & Cult, I think they have also polishes. We have gotten things from this brand before. This is a glitterous shimmer lip veil. Sells for $22. It comes in 10 shades. It's a sheer glitter lip color to wear on top of your lipstick. And it's lightweight, non-sticky. It's got light reflecting pearls that create a shade shifting top coat. It's got hydrating aloe vera and soothing cucumber extract to nourish your lips. And I love that when you take a lipstick and you apply this on top, that it should change your lipstick. It gives you more ways to use a tube of lipstick. So I would love to get my hands on this also, just to play with it. It sounds like a fun product. I like anything that color shifts and changes things. This very last sneak peek I'm not excited about at all. It's called the Smokes eyeshadow palette. It sells for $48 and it's from the brand Illuminate Cosmetics, which we have seen products from them before. I think there were two different colored pencils, eye pencils. Now on this palette, it does look like a neutral palette. It does have the name Appeal on it, which we've seen Appeal before. So I'm not sure. I could not find anything that looked like this on Illuminate Cosmetics or Appeal Cosmetics. So I'm not sure exactly what palette this is. These are the survey products. So I was so excited to see this. And they also, at the end of the survey, mentioned that if anyone is familiar with Isabel Bedoya, she is an influencer. She's a self-taught beauty, wellness, and fashion influencer. And I love that she's self-taught. Many of us are. She brings out the confidence of women of all backgrounds. She has already partnered with Sephora, Benefit Cosmetics, and Tarte Cosmetics on different products. She has been featured in Woman's Health magazine, and she has also been booked at IMATS and BeautyCon. So she is a well-known beauty influencer in the industry. They said that they wanted to know how would we like to receive an eyeshadow palette in conjunction with Boxycharm and Isabel Bedoya. So what do you think about that? Would you like to get a collaboration eyeshadow palette between Boxy and Isabel Bedoya? What do you think about that? I'm not very familiar with her. She's a beautiful woman. I went look at her site. I'm going to put her Instagram site in my description area. That way you can click on her if you're interested in seeing who she is. That is the survey. So what did I get from this? I like the way they're doing their surveys. I like the way they're giving us a description of what the product is. That way you can answer truthfully and know a little bit about what you're looking at. I also am excited about Marc Jacobs. I was the first to say it. It came straight from Kendy Jane Beauty and all my research. So remember that when you start seeing it on other people's sites. Just want y'all to know that I do a lot of research and try to figure all this out. All we need now after Marc Jacobs is Ole Henderson. I want to see that. So hopefully somebody sees this video and says, hey, Joe, let's get some Ole Hendrickson into that box. I'm sure it will come one day. But thank you all for watching my sneak peek video. And if you're not a charmer, I don't know why not. We're getting amazing boxes, brands. They're always worth the money. I'm not saying you're going to love every product in the box, but the majority of them, I'm sure you will. And it's always worth the money that you pay for the boxes. It's not junk. So thank you all for watching. Remember, we have a giveaway going on this month, and I'm giving away 2 Ward Urban Decay palettes. And I am so sorry I have yet to pick the winners for last month. I promise next Sunday we are having a live. I haven't had one in so long. We're going to absolutely have one next Sunday. I might even know what's wrong with me. And I can let y'all all know what my esophagus disease or whatever it is going wrong with me. So thank you all for watching. Remember, ladies, let beauty transform you inside and out, and always put a beautiful smile on your face. Love you. Bye. Until next video. Mwah.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think